Quick unboxing. Usual Sony branding, orange box. It's supposed to come with a case and manuals. Nothing else in here, I don't think. All right. Good case. Looks like, oh, this is a nice case here. All right. There's nice padding in here. And this is it. Let me get a tape measure. Cross, it's about 6 centimeters or 2.5 inches. This is with the caps on them, by the way. This way it's about 4 centimeters deep. That's how it compares to a AAA battery. No, it's about 3.5 centimeters. That's how it compares to a AAA battery. And it looks well made. You shouldn't add that much weight to your camera setup. And it feels solidly made. So you put the caps back on. Just throw this in the camera bag, and I think this is well-made device. I think this is a well-made unit. Excited to use it. This is how you attach it to the lens and camera. It's pretty straightforward. This end goes on the lens. It has a release latch, much like what's on the camera. The white dot should line up with the white dot on the lens, right there. Now it's on securely. White dot on the camera should line up with the white dot on the teleconverter and lens. That's how it's connected. You can see the release latch for the teleconverter lines up with the release latch for the camera. So instinctively, you're going to press that when you're taking it off, and the teleconverter will stay on the camera, just like that. I think it's easier to put the teleconverter on here first, then put it on the lens. That would probably be my preference. Just like that.